AWW is an online whiteboard app that allows users to easily draw or annotate and save the resulting artifact. Saving the artifact to a G Drive folder that has proper sharing permissions would allow students to access class notes or resources without multiple steps for the instructor. Google File Stream needs to be installed so you have access to the G Drive. Open the AWW app and compose your resource. When ready to save, click the Export Board button and navigate to the desired folder in your G Drive. Save the image to the folder. If it is a folder that has been shared with students, they will be able to see the file immediately.